In today's video, I want to guide you on how to add Hibernate to the power option here. Sometimes you want to hibernate your system just for a few seconds and that Hibernate button is not available here. Then this video will guide you. Now go to this search bar, type in control panel, then click on this control panel to open it like this. Then click on system and security, click on that button. Now under power option, click on change what the power button do. Now that I've clicked on that, now you have different option here. Now to make this one clickable, click on this button that says change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on this button. Once you do that, you see that this button is now clickable. So click on this one to hibernate it, then click on save change. Close this page. Now let's go and do that and check it. Click on this window, click on the start button. You see that the Hibernate button is available here. That's all, guys, on how to enable Hibernate or on how to add Hibernate to startup button on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. If you get this tip you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.